Hello dear teachers, hope you all doing great. A wholehearted welcome to all my dear viewers.
I am your Satish Majge, English teacher working at GHPS Jivangi, Talaka Kamlapur, District Kalburgi. In today's video, I will be introducing English Nalikali kit which has become famous as ENK kit. Since last 2 to 3 months, we are addressing a discussion on English Nalikali training throughout the state. You might have also undergone and enjoyed this training. The main attraction of this training is ENK kit, which has been supplied by Education Department. Have you seen it? Oh yes. How was it? Yes, friends, it is very attractive. Have you checked what does it contain? Many of our teachers already used it during the training sessions and had hands-on experience. Some friends, they may open it when they return their respective schools. Let us see what are there in the ENK kit. Once you open this, you will find cards, or we can also call them teacher cards. And you know that cards are the main TLM in English Nalikali teaching process. Already we have seen it in the other subjects like Kannada, Maths and EVS. In ENK, we have two separate set of cards. One set of card is for listening and speaking and other is for reading and writing. In the first set, we have 50 cards. In the second, there are 202 cards. Now the question is how to recognize or how to bifurcate them as listening and speaking and reading and writing cards. Yes, you are absolute right, friends. By seeing their border lines, we can segregate them very easily because listening and speaking cards have two lines red color border and reading and writing cards have one thick red color border. If you hold any card in your hand, you will see the picture of milestone in the left side top corner of the card having numbers on it. The number indicates theme name. Below the milestone picture, there will be a small size numbers which refers 30. Besides the milestone, you will see logo which tells us the segment name or activity name. Right side top corner of the card, you can see the numbers which indicate the card number. Hope you understood about cards, friends. Next TLM is chart, or we can also call it as calendar. Dear friends, as you know, there are 7 themes in ENK level 1 curriculum. For each and every theme, there would be a separate colorful picture chart. By combining all, they had made it like a calendar. This is very attractive and very useful to conceptualize the given content to the children. Hope you become familiar with this, friends. One more TLM which we could see in the ENK kit is flashcards. There are two sets of flashcards. One is picture flashcards and the other is sight words flashcards. The teacher can make use of these when he transacts associated concept of presentation segment and also while introducing sight words to the children. Listening and speaking flashcards have two red lines border and reading and writing flashcards have only one red thick line border. Let us move on to the tatte now. Dear teachers, ENK teaching process has 3 tattes. Sometimes we can also call it as a plates in English. Whereas remaining subjects like Kannada, Maths and EVS have 5 tattes. In the first tatte, activities are done with the help or support of the teacher. And logos are calf, cow and pencil in hand. In the second tatte, activities will be assigned in the small groups. And you can see the logos on this tatte are calf, cow and dice. In the third tatte, children will do their given task individually, and logos are pencil in hand and line. Thank you.